this video is a quick and easy 15-minute noodle. It's called a 15-minute lazy noodle. I made this recipe a long time ago when I first kind of started my channel, and I don't know if I deleted it on purpose or accident because I cannot remember. But somebody requested, I think they sent me an email, but I could not find the email. But they asked me, honey, where is that video at? And I didn't realize anybody used that video. I don't know why I deleted it. I don't know if it was because it had not a lot of view. Y'all, is gone. So because there's someone out there that actually wants the recipe and used the video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back up. But I will link the original 15-minute lazy noodle. I'll link that below in the description box. So guys, the first thing you're gonna do is make your sauce for this 15-minute lazy noodle. You're gonna take some low sodium soy sauce, some hoisin sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. I'm adding in a little bit of sriracha, and then we're gonna add in a little bit of honey. We're gonna go ahead and whisk that together. So we're gonna sit that aside and we're gonna work on the rest of the dish. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cook our ground beef. We're gonna cook our ground beef in a skillet until it gets super crispy, you guys. This is gonna take a minute, but I promise you, if you let it get super crispy, it tastes so much better and the texture is so much better than just cooking your ground beef until it's done. You want to add, even if you have to add a little bit of oil, you want to let it continue to cook until you get a lot of little crispy bits and pieces in it. Now, while our ground beef continues to get nice and crispy, we're going to add in some sliced onion. And we're going to let that onion cook with the ground beef so it can get soft and crispy also. And then we're going to add in some minced garlic. And then I'm going to add in some ginger paste just because I had it. I usually use ginger powder, but I had some ginger paste, so I'm going to throw in that. And then you want to salt and pepper to taste. Next, we're going to throw in some baby spinach. And we're going to let that cook just until the spinach is wilted. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our noodles. Now you can use whatever noodle you want with this. The original recipe suggests wheat noodles, so I do use wheat noodles because I like the texture of it. I just like the way it comes out better. So the only thing left is to add our sauce. And we're going to toss this all together. I wanted to bring it back for the person who asked for it. I could not find your email. Maybe you hit me up on Instagram. That's probably where you did it. You probably DM'd me on Instagram. But here you go. This is for you. I'm sorry it was gone, but thank you for letting me know that you actually used the video. So go ahead and give this a try, for a quick dinner meal, quick lunch meal. It truly only takes about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and it's super flavorful. You can add your own spin to it, and it's quite delicious, y'all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you make it, let me know about it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yum.